What is wrong with the Australian rental market right now? What is this? My place is so expensive right now, so my housemate and I were just like looking just to see what's out there. What is that? So at first glance, 3 chairs and a bed in a bedroom. Ominous stains. At least there's a living room. You can watch the skylines. At first I thought this was just a bedroom and like I didn't see this part. That's a curtain. I first saw this picture of the front door and I thought, oh, that's just the front door. No, so this is the first bedroom, which is in the front door. And then there's a curtain that covers it. What is going on? It is a 2-bedroom though, at least. That's tragic. By that you mean it's full of furniture? Yeah, you're right, it's full of chairs. What the hell? What the hell? And they couldn't even vacuum for the pictures. Like, what is on the... Oh my god. They know they can get away with it. 3 cock chairs, and they don't even match. They don't even match.
So, $2,000 per month for this. I don't know what to say about it. Everyone I know under 35 is living with their parents. Eventually, incentives to hold investment properties will be removed. Eventually, Airbnbs will be tightly regulated. Eventually, hoarding property will be taxed. Sadly, we have to wait for our ultra-conservative governments to catch up to global standards. Eventually.